Alrighty, we're going to install some wireless remote switches here. Here in the country I was born in, we use 14 American wire gauge on 15 amps, 12 American wire gauge on 20 amps. Black is live, white is neutral, the bare, the green is the ground. This end is the power that goes inside the light and comes out of the light and goes to the power comes into this and goes to the light on one side. One side goes to the power, one side goes to the light. And this is the battery operated remote switch that works with this antenna receiver. So I'll show you how to wire this and install it. You can see the line and the load instructions on the controller. Okay, so we're going to put our receiver in here, our remote controller in here. So we'll just undo our light fixture from the box here on the wall. We'll just take this off here. We don't have to do anything with our ground wire here. Down with my Phillips screwdriver. We'll loosen this up. And we'll take this one out so we can get our wires up to where we got to get them. Do you have 3 different models?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'll do each one separately.
Okay. Sounds good to me. Sounds good to me.
Okay, so we have our all right. So we'll get our wires out here to hook it up. Okay, so we have our white line here. We'll unhook our white line. And we'll unhook our black line here. Okay, so this says power 120 volts on these two. So we'll hook them up with this. Now we'll have to strip these wires a little longer because our tail wire. Can you look in the camera and make sure you see my whole face and everything?
Oh yeah, no, you're good there. You're good there. You're good there.
Oh.
Now, over here.
Okay,
Nice.
so we're going to take our 120 volt here. In, we'll hook it to our black and white coming in, and this black and white will hook to our black and white to go to the light. So we'll take our white wire from the light and we'll just wrap it around this white wire here. And we'll put our orange wire nut on it. This is our black wire from the light going to our black load wire here. And alrighty, so this is ready to hook up to the black and white line here. So we'll take our white line, get our insulation even at the bottom and our copper even at the end like this. Stick our wire nut on. Make sure insulation is going up into the bottom of the wire nut. Now these are pre-tinned wires, so we don't have to wrap the strands around the solid wire. So we'll get our insulation even at the bottom and our copper even at the top like this here. Take our wire nut, make sure our insulation is going up into the bottom of our wire nut. And I'll look, make sure insulation is up in the wire nut where we want it. So now we can get our wires and this into our box. Okay, so we'll get this back up here. Get our ground wire up in here, get it out of our way of everything. Hold there. I'm going to take this probe off of here to make it less heavy so it's easier to put in. Fold these wires into our box. Ground wire up out of our way. So we just have to fold this in here, get it into our box. Gotta get this to go in. So we'll get our wires over this way. We'll try to get it in here. Well, if it doesn't fit, it doesn't fit. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. So it is going to fit. I'll just get our, push it this way. Get our black and white wires. Put them up on the top. Okay, it just takes a little time to get them figured out to go where they're going to go. And get our cross piece to go in on these two. And if it doesn't fit, you know what? It doesn't fit. If something doesn't fit, it doesn't fit. Oh, we have to keep playing with it until we get it to fit. So it's going to go on these two screws right here. So we'll put one in here.
This is all this stuff. This up here. This. Oh boy.
Making sure it's not pushing. Can you hand me up my flashlight? It's that blue tester thing.
This thing?
Yes.
Okay. There you go.
Let's take a look here with my tester. Make sure it's not pushing anything, and it isn't. These two wire nuts down in here out of our way. And we'll get this so it's going straight. I'll make sure this is fixed so it's not crooked, and now we'll tighten these two screws up. Make sure these screws are out. And now we can put our light back on the box here. Make sure no wires are pinched anywhere. And we'll just stick our knob back on here. Okay, we'll make sure no wires are pinched. Alright, can you hear me with the globe and the light bulb? Now that bulb might be too big. Okay, that fits. Okay, good.
This one.
There's the plastic ring that goes in.
There you go, sir.
Okay, and we'll put our ring back in up here. Put our bulb in. And I'll come down and I'll show you the instructions.
Man. Oh, we're already on, David.
Okay, now
How'd you do that?
turn it off.
I didn't touch anything. Oh, man. Look at this. We got light switches.
Good. Okay, hand it up to me. I'm going to show you.
You're all good to
we'll
go.
put the battery in. And that's how our magic switch works. It's wireless. It takes a battery and screws onto the wall. Okay, there's this. I'm going to come down and show everybody the instructions and the battery. So here's our instructions. This is page one side. You can pause it to read it.